me back to any point in history that I would care to go. And so I had them send me back to last Thursday night so I could pay my phone bill on time. Just then the floating disembodied head of Colonel Sanders started yelling, everything you know is wrong. Black is white, up and down, and short is long. And everything you thought was just so important doesn't matter. Everything you know is wrong. Don't forget the words and sing along. All you need to understand is everything you know is I was just about to mail a letter to my evil twin when I got a
Oh, wow.
And well, to make a long story short, so now I'm up in heaven with St. Peter by
Oh,
the
wow.
gates, and it's obvious he doesn't like the Nehru